due to the intense heat, the river dried up and all the fish were dying. The parrot decided to save Ryan's life. He brought a JCB machine and started digging a hole. In no time, the parrot had created a big pond. Then he went all the way to the distant river, filled a bucket with water, and poured it into the pond. He kept doing this again and again until the pond was full of water. After that, the parrot carefully placed the fish into the bucket, brought them to the new pond, and released them into the water, saving all their lives. But in the end the parrot started crying, because no one liked or subscribed to his video.